Imagine AI tools so powerful, they almost feel illegal. But guess what? These websites are 100% real and can change how you work forever. Let's explore 5 mind-blowing AI tools that you need to know. Tool 1. BlackBox AI. AI Coding Assistant. Ever wanted to code like a pro? BlackBox AI writes code for you with just a few words. Just type, "Create a login form in Python," and it generates the code instantly. Tool 2. DeepL. AI translation like magic. Google Translate? Nah, DeepL gives more accurate and human-like translations. It translates entire documents with better context. Tool 3. PimEyes. Find anyone online. Upload a photo, and PimEyes finds everywhere this person appears online. It's scary good at facial recognition. Tool 4. Riffusion. AI music generator. Type a word, and Riffusion creates a custom AI-generated song. Tool 5. Let's Enhance.io. AI image upscaler. Blurry images? Let's Enhance.io makes them 4K quality with AI. Perfect for photographers and designers. AI is advancing fast. These tools can save time, boost creativity, and even change careers. Which AI tool will you try first? Let me know below.